In the world of courtroom drama, family disputes always add an extra layer of complexity, and this case in front of Judge Judy is a perfect example. On one side, we have Mackenzie Kinneary, a young woman caught between her divorced parents. On the other side is her stepfather, Mr. Riha. Judge Judy starts by laying out the family tree. Mr. Riha was married to Mackenzie's mother for about 8 years, meaning he's known Mackenzie since she was just 10 years old. But now he and her mother are divorced. Judge Judy expresses her hope that the court proceedings won't make this already strained family situation any worse. Mackenzie explains that after living with her father in New Jersey for a while, she and her sister moved to California in 2011 to live with their mother and stepfather. Even after the move, she would still go back to visit her dad. The core of the dispute begins during one of these visits to New Jersey. Mackenzie was 17, and like many teenagers, she wanted a car. Her stepfather, Mr. Riha, claims that he and her mother felt she wasn't quite responsible enough for a car just yet. However, her biological father had a different idea. He decided to help her out and gave her a significant amount of money to buy a vehicle. Initially, Judge Judy thought the amount was $4,000, but Mackenzie corrects her, stating it was actually $6,500. Judge Judy turns to the stepfather, Mr. Riha, to confirm. He says he doesn't know the exact amount, only that Mackenzie told him she got money from her father, but he claims it wasn't specifically designated for a car. Judge Judy immediately shuts that down. Of course, it was for the purchase of a car, Mr. Riha, she says, pointing out the obvious. She reminds him that in his own written statement, he acknowledged that Mackenzie wanted to buy a used car for $4,000. He and her mother had apparently advised against it, suggesting a newer, more reliable car that would require financing. So, in July of 2013, the three of them, Mackenzie, her mother, and Mr. Riha, went car shopping. They found a car, and Mackenzie put down a $4,000 down payment. This explains where Judge Judy got that initial figure. So, what happened to the remaining $2,500? Mackenzie says she used it for car payments, insurance, and other necessities. She explains that she would give money to her mother whenever she asked for it, though she wasn't always sure what exactly the money was for. Mr. Riha jumps in, trying to discredit her. Your Honor, in all fairness, she never made but one car payment the entire time she had the car, he exclaims. But Judge Judy isn't interested in that argument right now. I don't care, she retorts, emphasizing that the mother isn't in court to defend herself or clarify the situation. The story takes another turn. Judge Judy gets to the heart of the matter. At some point, Mr. Riha asked Mackenzie to leave the house. He admits it, saying there were actually 2 times he asked her to leave. The first time, he took it back. He struggles to remember the date, guessing June. But Mackenzie corrects him. It was August of 2014, and that's when everything came to a head, leading them straight to this courtroom.